How to use stairs in Revit 2027. Open AutoCAD, then go to Stair. Here from Architecture, we have Stair. Then go to Run, then choose the stair that you want. Let's choose this one, the first one. Then from level 1 to level 2, and how many steps that we want. Let's make it 22. This is the rising, how much the height of the rising of the step. It's 0.16 almost. The thickness of the step, let's make it 30 centimeter. Then let's make it from level 1 to level 2. Then go here to change your stairs. Let's make this one. Then choose your steps, like I want it like this, and again like this. Then press on finish. Then go to 3D, and here is our stair. Let's change the railing, choose them, and from here, from properties, you can change the railing. Let's make it glass panel, and here is our railing. Again, let's make another one. Go to Architecture, level 1, floor plan, then go to Stair. Let's choose this one, L shape. Choose from level 1 to level 2. Let's make it 22 step. Then the thickness is 30 centimeter. And here is, you can press on space to change the rotation of your stair. Let's make it like this, and then press finish. Then go to 3D, and here is our stairs. Let's change the railing, the same. Select the first one, then press Ctrl, then select the second one, then go to properties, then select it like whatever you want. Let's make it this one. Or let's select them. Let's make it also 90 centimeter, and here is our railing. Again, go to floor plan level 1, then go to stair, then let's select this one, also the first one. From level 1 to level 2, the distance of number, how many steps, let's make it 22 again, and the thickness is 0.3, 30 centimeter. And let's make it the first one here, and the second one over here, and here we go. Go to 3D, and here is our stair. Again, go to floor plan, then select stair, and select this one, all step spiral. And from level 1 to level 2, how many steps? Let's make it again 22, and let's make it 0.3 from level 1 to level 2. Then let's make our stair, then press finish. Go to 3D, and here it is. You can also select these stairs, then go to properties, then change whatever you want from here. The same railing, select them, then choose whatever you want. Let's make it glass, and here it is. Again, go to floor plan level 1, then stair, then let's select this one, let's make it like this. Before that, level 1 to level 2, let's make it 22. Then let's make it 0.3. Then select it from this point to this point to this point. Then press finish. Then go to 3D, and here it is.